You don't give up already. Omo, if you don't give up, now you fuck omo. Wetin we carry our eyes see for this trading industry no be small thing. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for those that don't understand pidgin English. I'm actually asking you guys if you've given up already in trading, and I bet you've not. Please don't give up on trading. Oh. Watch this video before giving up on trading. Oh. If you're thinking of giving up, watch this video. Actually, today's video is going to be about liquidity zones in the market, key liquidity zones, both internally and externally. So it's going to be a very impactful video, so watch this video till the very end. Without wasting much time, we're going to dive right in. Welcome back, guys. Without wasting much time, let's begin. Normally the way we do our analysis is that from the monthly to 30 minutes time frame where we take our trade. So let's go to the monthly because this is the weekly, and we are using the BTC pay. So what happened in the monthly time frame is that BTC broke the market structure at this level here. Okay, let me clean up everything on my chart so fresh. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, this was the break of structure on BTC. That's the monthly time frame, and this is the highest point where BTC got to. That's like the key zone. So now we'll go down to the weekly time frame to see. Now look at this was the break of structure, and then this is the highest point this BTC got to. So now BTC came back to retest this break of structure here. It came back to retest this break of structure. This video is not gonna take long. I just want to show you how to track liquidities in the market, draw liquidity zones. So now drawing an external liquidity from here like this to here. These are liquidities here. Let me delete this trend line. Let me not use the trend line because this is the high. Now this is the low. This is the low that caused this high, and then price came back and retested at this zone here. So after retesting at this zone, price went further to break, and this is liquidity. There are also internal liquidities here. This is an external liquidity, which is if price should reverse now, it is going to come lower to this place, clearing this liquidity. This is also a liquidity, so it's not really like sharp enough. So it will clear all those liquidity, and if it fails to respect this zone, this is also gonna act as liquidity, which price will clear it down to this place. So these are external liquidities. Now the internal liquidities are the ones that I will zoom into the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame for us to spot. Like for instance, since this is our focus point, because this is our key zones now, the zones we are looking to trade from. So we'll zoom down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame here, what do we see here? Now price came and retested these our key zones. As price retested it, it created liquidity here on this side. It created liquidity. So now what did price do? Price went back upward, clearing most of these liquidities, which it will also clear more of it till it gets to this high. So now at this point, price has started clearing liquidities here. These are liquidities. These are internal liquidities. Why? Because this was a break of structure here. Then these are liquidities. All these highs here, lower highs here are liquidities, which price is always going to clear. Also checking from the left hand side here, if I should mark this as a break of structure, that's an external break of structure. So these are liquidities. These zones like this, these are liquidities. This was liquidity. These are liquidities. That's why you saw price coming back after breaking the structure, coming back down to clear that liquidity, clear this entire zone. So that's the same thing that will be happening here at inside here. So price has already cleared till this point and then rejected back because there's a change of character here. This is a change of character zone internally. That's why you saw price reject. Let me draw it out so you see when I zoom into the 4-hour time frame. So now price has cleared part of this liquidity, remaining to clear this high, which will also turn to liquidity while we're testing the monthly or the weekly high here. So now we should zoom into the 4 hours. You can spot liquidities in all time frames. You can spot liquidity. So in the 4 hours, look at, like I said, this is our change of character. That's the last low that price failed to respect and then broke, going down. You see price rejected there. That's why I said knowing key zones is very important. And once you understand what key zone is, the market becomes very easy for you. You don't do too much analysis like what I did here. This is also a key zone because it's a break of structure at the left hand side. It's a break of structure here and also a change of market character. And look at this. These are liquidities, like I said, because this is a break of structure internally. Then price came, it broke below it, and now these are the liquidities. And now price is trying to clear liquidity. Now liquidity are zones that retail traders stack up their orders in order to take trade. That is liquidity. There are zones where the retail traders stack up their orders to take trade, and the smart money would come into the market and then move the market back upward in order to take those, sell orders, clear out those sell orders. Because the retail traders, a lot of them, when they stack up their, like here, somebody might have taken here as a break of structure internally and then look to sell. Now look at what the market did. If the person did not go out of this trade here, the market would have, cleared his stop loss, probably would have cleared it. So even internally here, look at from this change of character, which also acts as a break of structure, there are internal liquidities here. And look at what the market did. It came clear out. Or people that were looking to buy further because the market was buying, so they looked to buy. Look at even here. I knew there were most people that put their stop loss below here. Now I'm thinking this market would buy upward, but it came down to clear their liquidity. Now, if those people knew about this change of character, these key zones that I'm teaching you guys about that can reverse price, they would probably not put their stop loss here because that can move price downward. That can move price downward to clear those stop loss. So look at, that's why key zones are very good in the market. That's why I said the content I give in this channel is unfiltered, is undiluted. So watch it with a bit of understanding. If you don't understand, re-watch that video. You will understand it and apply it. Don't just watch it and go. Apply it. Try doing it on your own. Try marking it out on your demo account and see if it's gonna play out. So guys, we'll call it a wrap on this video. If you will not subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so that anytime I post new videos like this, you will not miss out. And also check the description below. You see a WhatsApp link so that you join our WhatsApp family. You join our group because we are one trading family and we are going to succeed. Honestly, we will succeed. I haven't given up and you haven't given up. So tell me why we won't succeed. So join that family and also subscribe to this channel. And also, if you did understand this liquidity video, please drop a comment below telling me the next video you want me to do or what is confusing you most in the market. I like to, speak with traders and like to know your pain points. So drop your comment on on what you've been finding difficult in the market to understand, and I'm gonna break it down very simple and easily for you guys. I'm out here for you guys. I'm out here for you guys. I feel the pains of traders. I know how traders struggle. So all what I'm doing here is for you, just so you understand the market data. For those that don't have money to pay for mentorship, so you don't feel left out, so you don't give up on Forex. So all this I'm doing is for you, and in order for you to appreciate me, share this video so that other traders that are struggling like you will not give up. All right, guys, without saying much, see you in my next video. Bye.